Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how I made this second version of smoke remover. Let's begin. I hope that you have seen my previous video about this smoke remover. It's working, but after some testing I noticed that it's very noisy and it's not so efficient as I expected, and that's why I made this second version. I used this 12 cm PC fan. Here you can see how I mounted on this piece of wood. This is ozone generator to purify the air, and these are the speed. I have 3 speed: low, medium and high speed. It's 12 volts, and I have 12 volts socket here in my workshop directly for my solar battery. Now I will show you how it's working. This is low speed, medium speed and high speed. And here you can see ozone generator. As you can see, even on first step, it's more efficient than first version. Now let's put on second speed. As you can see, it's perfect. And on third speed, but I think I will not use second and third speed, because first speed, as you can see, it's enough. If I will increase the distance, I think need second speed. At this distance, as you can see, I will use this piece to cover, and I will fix this here. This will be the final shape. If you have any question, please put it in a comment. and I hope that I've inspired you to make a useful tool like this. If you find this helpful, please give a big like. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.